Hello, my name is Jerron Barnes, and this is my Tableau 2 project. It starts off with the data, and the data retains information like the countries, the regions, state, the zip codes, the sell dates, profits, and profit ratios. I set up for my sales by product region, the different regions for the central, the eastern, the southern, the western, to be able to display how much profits and sales that they're making between the 2 years. And I set up another chart displaying the sales in the central and how much the different bikes are making between the years of the profits and sales. I set up a profit map to be able to display the different profit ratios, profit and sales that each state are making between the central regions. And I also set up a profit chart to be able to illustrate the states, some of the bike names, and the city in the central region, and some of the cities bringing in just around $100,000 in profit, or barely not bringing in profits and losing profits up to $10,000 between the cities in the central region. This is my dashboard, and it displays the different states in the central region and how much profits they're making, and the chart below shows the different regions and how much profits they're bringing in with the bikes compared to the central region in 2020 and 2021. This is my story of the sales and profits by years. And 2020 in the central, eastern, southern, and western, it displays the profits of all the regions in 2020, which was making the highest and the lowest amounts between the bikes. The sales and profits in 2021, it shows all the regions. In 2021, it shows the highest and the lowest amount making in 2021 in the different regions. For this story layout, it shows the central regions and sales associated with the profits of the bikes in different states, on which was making the most profits and which weren't between the 2 years out of the bikes. And I did a profit for Kansas that I was making in 2020, and the profit was $2,600 and $363. in 2020, and the profit in 2021. It made an increase. It made a profit of $1,300,717. So over the years, the profit did increase for the bikes. So I would say that they just need to find a good strategy for the bikes, the different bikes that they have in different regions and states, and be able to obtain just a high profit in sales and figure out which ones are best to sell at which times.